If $30,000 is invested in a savings account that pays 4% annual interest compounded daily, what will be the account balance after 6 years? When we have a problem like this, where we have interest that is compounded some number of times per year, so in this case daily, that would mean it's compounded 365 times per year. When we have a situation like that, we use what's called the compound interest formula, which is given as A is equal to P by 1 plus R over N to the NT. Now, what do all these things mean? P is the principal. That's the amount that's invested or borrowed. In this problem, that would be the $30,000. R is the annual interest rate. As a decimal. And this problem is 4%, and so we would write R as 0.04. N is the number of times the interest is compounded per year. In this problem, since it's daily, and there are 365 days in a year, the value for N is 365. And T is the number of years, which in this case is 6. And finally, the A, is the value after T years. So that's what we're looking for. It says what will the account balance be after 6 years? So we need to solve for A, right? We want the value of A given all the other information. So then we would have A is equal to the principal, $30,000, by 1 plus R is 0.04 over N is 365, and that would be raised to the 365 times 6. All right, definitely want to use a calculator here. And here's how you would type it in all in one line. 30,000, open quantity, 1 plus 0.04 divided by 365, close the quantity, bring up an exponent, open a second quantity with the 365 times 6. And don't forget to close that quantity. Enter that, and we have 38,136.97. So, conclusion. After 6 years, the balance of the account will be $38,136.97.